I'm Katharine Sepp, CEO and co-founder of Oxalys. Spin-off company from the Picower Institute that's developing small molecule therapeutics for neurodegenerative disorders. Our lead therapeutic is for Huntington's disease, and we also have a program in Parkinson's disease. We have a transgenic platform for drug discovery that can also be used for search for gene targets. And this can be developed as a service, but primarily we're developing our drugs for the clinical trials to commercialize as quickly as possible. We do have a product engine that was developed at MIT. This is a system that closely replicates the physiology of neurodegenerative disease, but it's miniaturizable, so you can test compounds in 384-well plate format. And this is a very robust way to find compounds that suppress the toxicity of human disease genes, so genes that drive the pathophysiology of neurodegenerative disease. We take human disease genes, we express them in Drosophila neurons. These are freshly cultured neurons that we grow in the plates, and then we use robotics to apply collections of compounds and compound libraries onto these plates, and we're looking for compounds that can improve the neurite morphology, so that the health of the cells, overall health of the cells, and then we also track the profile of protein distribution of these mutant disease proteins. Usually what we find is the compounds that improve the health of the neurons also change the distribution of these disease proteins. So we're looking for compounds that will treat the underlying cause of the disease, not just late-stage symptoms, and so we call these disease modifiers. The ultimate goal is to find a drug that has the capacity to slow, halt, or reverse the course of neurodegeneration, not just change the symptoms. Right now, we're strongly focused on getting our lead therapeutic into clinical trials, and for this, we will need to raise significant funding. That can either come from VC funding or a large pharmaceutical partner. Either one would work. It'll be a Series A fundraising that we'll need to do to achieve our first key milestone, which is the completion of a phase 2 proof of concept trial. So it's a clinical trial that will show that there's some efficacy of this drug to do something meaningful for the Huntington's disease patients.